Alright. Today we're going to attempt to fix this old Micranta DC variable power supply. This is from probably the 70s, I would think. It's made by Radio Shack. Now, the problem with this power supply is, well, it's pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward. Yep, switch is shot. I was working with this and I wanted to get the switch to touch, and then all of a sudden I hear a big I see a big flash in here, and I'm like, well, shit, I guess I killed it. But I'm not really sure if I did. But I want to open it and see. This meter's also shot. Ooh, very jumpy. I mean, the meter's, it's alive, but very touchy. Yikes. Looks like it's... Ooh. That's a stupid meter. Maybe I could fix it. Oh, someone's probably... Looks like someone's beat me to the damn meter. It's loose. I do like this faux finish paint. Also, this thing appears to be made out of copper. Paint's starting to come off in places like here. There's your specs. Very quality. Caution, indoor use only. Huh, apparently you can't, apparently you can't use this outside. Who would have thought? Ooh, oh, that's lovely. Custom microfarad capacitor in USA by Radio Shack, a division of Tandy Corporation, Fort Worth, Texas. Lovely. Internally limited 1 amp. Hopefully that's enough for battery power. With Walkmans, because that's what I'm going to use this for. Since I'm working on battery stereo players, I might as well get me a nice power supply, which I have, but I didn't think I would actually really need. As you can see, I can see inside of this. Yeah, no problem. These, this was definitely a disposable unit. Because these aren't screws. Now, what I'm thinking of doing is maybe prying it. Well, of course with a better screwdriver, but maybe I could pry it a little bit. Maybe something like this would do. I don't know. Maybe if I... Oh! Or maybe I should just drill these out. Or get under and pry out. I don't know. This is going to be an interesting one nonetheless. All I want to do is get inside of this and repair this vintage unit. I don't know what the hell this is. Here's your dial. Meters. Crap. Ooh, sounds like, oh, look at that. Oh, got the power cord. Found the power cord. Lovely. Bolts. Nuts. Ooh. Oh. Oh. That's just a face plate. hope that doesn't come off. All I'm gonna do is do these like unscrew or something? What's the deal here? Alright, see you when I get the damn thing open. So you can see, got one. Now I gotta get this one. This time I'm using the drill, not this. Alright. Well, the drill literally opened this up in like a jiffy. Let's see what wonders we have inside of this thing. There we go. Okay. The big reveal. Oof. Lovely. Oof. Oh yeah, minimal damage. Okay. Right off the bat, definitely. Oh God, is that a rectifier? Is that a selenium? Yikes. It doesn't look bad. Whoa. I'll be damned. I'll be damned. Look at that. This'll be an easy fix. Holy shit. Wow. What microfarad is this? I'll be the judge if it's custom. 2020 U. What the fuck? Hold up. Yeah, I'll be the judge of that. 2200? Was that a 202? Wow, looky there. An exact replacement. Custom my ass. I might just replace that. I don't know. I'll probably just check it. 50 volts. I would have thought that'd be like a 1000 volt cap. But I'll be damned. The switch. Just dry solder joints that literally ripped off the board. This thing's from the 60s. I can tell. Wow. Got some old caps there that I might change. Mine as well. Yeah, this is definitely 60s. Ain't no doubt about it. It's from the 60s. Oh, well, that just came off. Okay. Oh, looky there. Lovely. Now, oh yeah. Now, you're wondering, why don't you have a nut driver? Well, this thing, I forgot to get the right nut driver, but that worked. Minimal damage, too. Okay. Let's see what lovely work we can do here. Lovely solder work here. Beautiful craftsmanship. Truly made to be crafted. Trying to find. That would be perfect. Lovely. Where's my tweet? Nope. We just caught a spider web. I'm not sure my uncle's gonna like me opening this thing, but it's gotta be done. What kind of weather is this? This is not winter weather. Okay, that's good. This thing might just slide right out. Nope, it won't. Wait a minute. Wait a second. I'm gonna stop me from... Oh! Oh, it's just the damn switches. Okay. Oh, fuses. Look at that. Oh, we do got fuses in this. Let's see here. Oh, those are some good ones too. I hope they're good. A few capacitors. 2200 at 25 volt. Wow. Oh, look at that. That's a Tandy Corp thing right there. Sweet. Let's take a look at these. I'm pretty sure this fuse is blown. No, it might not be. Bus. Oh, it's a bus fuse. Heavy duty. Damn. 10 amp. 10 amp. Ooh. Oh. 2 amp. Wait. What? Wait a minute. Am I reading that right, or does that say 70? 170 amp. Really? That can't be right. 1 out of 4 amp. What do we got here? This thing's been in here. Oof. 1 out of 4 amp. Exact. Weird. These fuses look like they've been through hell. I should touch up all the solder joints, but I cannot believe the switch must be good. I can't believe the damn switch was the issue. Just bad solder joints. Should I just service this thing, give it a complete overhaul, or should I literally just replace it all? I'm tempted. No! Volts calibration. Okay. Oh shit. These are heavy duty fuses too. These are very heavy duty. Did I break it? No, I don't think I did. These are like some heavy duty fuses. I got the good stuff here. Yeah, I'm not worried about replacing everything in this. It said custom. Right here. Custom microfarad. I have that in stock. That's not custom. So, what we need to do, we need to bridge these. We're gonna bridge these. That's some pure copper trace right there, too. Ain't that pretty? Pure, homemade board, but... Yep. I hope the switch is good. I might as well freaking clean it up. Make it look lovely. Yeah, let's heat up this damn iron. Let's get this shit done. getting me a nice working... What the fuck was that? God damn, this fucking house is making some weird fucking noises. What's that? Clean up this. There's still some old flux on this board. Ew, what is that? Ooh, it just broke off. That's a bit nasty. Because I remember seeing a flash in here. I don't know if it was what I saw, but yeah, I would think it would be in the flash. What is that? That's a 10 UF. I have one of those in stock. And one's a 22. I very well might have these in stock. Oopsie. 10 microfarad, 100 volts. Nope, not for me. It's 100, 220 UF. Oh, that was for the Walkman. My bad. I do got 220s. Those are thousands. 4.7. Oh, I keep forgetting I have some of these in capsules. So that's a 20 UF. 2200 UF. And what volt? .25 volt. That won't do. What do we got here? 22 UF at 16 volt. Nope. I thought I had a bag full of 220s. This is a bag full of 220s, but these are 6.3s. I wouldn't trust these. And it's a 50 volt. And they're flying out like pancakes. I mean, that might replace that one. But I know I have 10 UF. But they're not in here. I know I have a capsule full of 10 UFs. It's 100. Oh well. Not worried about it. Not worried about it whatsoever. Let's just get the oh, come on. There we go. Nice and tight on there. That board ain't going anywhere. This is going to be an interesting one. So without a power switch to do everything, it's not going to be easy. Oh, I gotta dampen this. I've decided to take out the board as I work on the switches. The switchers. There we go. Much better. Alright, let's see what we got here. Actually, you know what? Let's desolder this first. Get over here. These handcrafted boards weren't the best in their time, but they certainly aren't the last. Just... oh well, it's good enough. What I'm doing is getting rid of all this old solder. Look at that. Getting rid of all the old solder. Come on, get off the damn thing. Look at that. The old solder pad, it's there, but we ain't gonna be needing them anymore. See, I'm just sucking off all the old solder. Make sure we're getting around the frame here. To see how that worked. Get rid of the old solder and get the old trace off. Oh, look at that. And got the old trace off. Now we should be able to get the switch out. It should just slide right out. And it did. Look at that. There's our switch. Oh, this switch, it doesn't look bad. Ooh. Okay. It's a bit bad. This pinion is a bit wiggly, but hey, it still moves. I think if I just get my needle nose pliers in here and bend that down. Oh, look at that. I fixed it. And oh, looks good. It's just a bit worn out, that's all. Just a bit of cosmetic wear, you know. Just gotta bend that down a little bit there, and yeah, that's in there. That one's a bit loose. I might be able to fix that if I just bend that down a little bit, and look at that. I'm gonna put some contact cleaner in this. It's a bit wiggly, but whatever. Need old switch. Let's get some WD-40 in that. Ah, looky there. Already better. WD-40 really did its job. It's getting that shit right off. Look at how easy that is now. I should do this too. See how easy. Actually, I'll do that after. But this switch. Oh yeah. This switch is in good nick. Just a bit worn. Just a bit worn, but Very, very good switch. So that should do us, this switch. Needs a bit of love. Yeah, I cleaned up that. Let's get a little bit of that old corrosion off. Now we should be in. Okay. This should be off. And it's off. On. Off. On. Off. Okay. Let's do the other side. That looks good. So we got a nice working switch. A switch needs lubrication in order to function correctly. Without lubrication, you'll eventually rip it off the damn board, and I should have just took this damn thing apart and said, fuck it. But I didn't. I used an old lubrication that I thought was fine, but nah, it wasn't. But that's fine. It's okay. It'll suffice us. Get this screw in. Then we get the big guns. See how this was engineered. Here that switch is like hard to turn. Let's give it a little bit of love tap. Oop, that's a bit too much. Now that ain't gonna rip off the board anytime soon. Or at least I hope it doesn't. Is this stuff flammable? I don't know how old this is. Danger. Flammable contents. Harmful or fatal if swallowed. Flammable contents under pressure. Lovely. Okay. Well, that's not safe, but oh well. Let's get some, let's clean up this old flux. The usual 91% isopropyl alcohol for your, for this board's needs, and then we just get our toothbrush and we brush it up. Get all those old traces up. And clean up as much as this old flux as we can that was left at the factory. Don't want any of this old residue on there. We're going to give it a nice, good, even clean. It's already looking 100 times better. Needs more. Perfect. That looks good. Nice clean traces. Got that old ass dust off of there. Now let's find something to drop. Look at that. It's easy to move now. Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna scrape at the board. Make sure we are getting at the copper. You do not want to scrape really far on this board because it will result in a fucked up trace. Okay, that's good enough. That should get us to where we need. Now, what we do, we get our brush, clean that up. Now, as we can see, we have pure copper on that board. And my battery's already dying. What the fuck? We got pure copper on the board. Now, what we do, we grab our solder. Yes, I said it right this time. Ugh. And we give it the cheap stuff. The stuff that won't really get us going. Just some flux. Make sure we're getting this damn thing nice and refreshed. I gotta get the flux on there. Now we're talking. Got some good flux on there. Now, we're gonna solder this damn trace on this damn board. Come on, God. That might work. Wow. That worked easier than I thought it would. Wow, that actually did it. As you can see, I traced the solder right on the board. Right there, look at that. I traced the solder right on the damn board. And it don't look half bad. Alright, perfect. Now, what we will do... Now what we're going to do is do the same thing for all of them. Get our iron, get some of that good stuff on there. What we call flux, and gonna keep going at this. Oh, fuck. I'm forgetting what I'm doing. Oh, yeah. I gotta... Well, hopefully we didn't fuck it up. My luck, we probably did. Well, that's odd. Those two shouldn't be like that, but okay. It's fine. It's fine. Let's get a little bit of alcohol in there. Look at that. That's looking pretty good. I smell fire. Ah, it's normal. No worries, it's all normal. I'll be damned. That's working as wow. I don't know if this is the professional way, but hell. That worked. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I'm not sure if that zaps, it's going to create a short. I'm not really wanting to know, but I mean, I think what I'm going to do is also give this some new solder. Make sure it's at its finest. I can't believe that just ran right to that damn board and traced right on there too. That's amazing. Let's give you a bit more. Ah, fuck, I ruined it. Not really. Ooh, fuck. What the hell's popping in that? This is literally gonna work, isn't it? Nope. Is this literally... Nope. It's not on there. I'm taking a guess. Well, yeah, that's on there, I would think. So let's do the last bit. Get this shit all cleaned up. Alright, we've got it fixed. Let's plug it in. Flick the switch on. And let's see how much volts this thing's producing by connecting the meter. The meter on it is destroyed. So, yeah. Set it to 200 volts. DC 1.3. Perfect. Let's dial it up a little bit there. Look at that. Okay, we're getting up to the correct voltage. 3.9, right at the dial. Let's mark where that is. Oh, well. That's right there. Yep, that's right there. It's in that region. Okay. I guess this is perfect. Now, for this test, I don't have... I'm just going to use this Walkman. The WMF F303, I believe. Yeah, this Walkman is kind of a piece of junk. But, will it suffice? Now, if I remember, yeah, this is plus... This is, I believe this is plus, and this might be minus. Wait a minute. Hold on. Yeah, that's plus. This must be minus. Let's turn on the radio. Oops. What the fuck? Okay. I think that thing made a sound. I don't know. Actually, let's turn on the amp. Let's let that. I'll be damned. Oh. I guess we fixed it.
I was devastated by it, and I didn't want to tell my coaches. My teammates were taping
Ah,